Good afternoon. This video is going to be an update on the fire alarm system post Hurricane Irma. Now, I had planned on making this video earlier in the week, but I've been so busy doing stuff. And so, basically now I have the time to do it. As you can tell, the power is still out. Oh, we're zoomed in all the way there. Oh no, I'm not zoomed in. I do not have power still. Good news, the fire system is completely unharmed. Everything is good. I did not take the boards out like I said I would, because I did not have the time to do that. I had to go sooner than expected. So these stayed up, and the strobes stayed up. Well, the strobes I wanted out, the strobes I were gonna take out, but I figured, you know what? Those strobes are a pain in the butt to take out and reinstall. So I just left them up. Same with the key stations and that one pull station. So basically, the whole system, once I get power back, I can basically put the alarms back up. And I took the smoke detectors out, but I kept their bases in. I have the smoke hits on my desk, and basically once power gets turned back on, I'm just waiting on FP&L, Florida Power and Light, to get power restored to the fire system, or to the house, so I can then get the system wired back up. But my emergency light came on when the power went out, but it's dead. Battery died. As I came to the house after once the curfew lifted in Florida, I came here to the house to check on the whole system and some stuff in the house. And my TV is gone too. I took that down along with the Apple TV, and plus on my desk, my computers have been taken out. My computers were taken off also, just in case something were to blow through the window. I didn't want to have it through my laptop, my iMac, or the monitors. I didn't want to basically throw it. So, yeah. So long story short, fire system survived, which is really good. I have the doors open right now, just so the boards don't get hot. And so, well, once power is restored, I'm gonna basically let the air conditioner cool down upstairs, before I rerun power back to the panels. I still have their hot neutral grounds in. So once power is restored, I'm gonna basically let the board sit a little while longer before I rerun power. But I'm aiming to have the next test up by the end of September. I had planned on releasing System Test 13 last week, but with the hurricane, I had to take the entire system down, because I couldn't risk I just couldn't risk a leak destroying the boards or any of my equipment. So I'll keep you guys updated on the fire system and what's happening with the system. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.